ECOnti is redefining sustainable biomanufacturing by enabling continuous microbial processes that run reliably for weeks. This makes essential biologics and enzymes more affordable and accelerates innovation from R&D to production.
enGenes Biotech provided the Predictive foundation that made everything else in the end possible. The main barrier to continuous bioproduction has always been the genetic instability of E. coli, which normally limits processes to just a few days. We have solved this by developing two patented technologies, our enGenes Express and the enGenes Excite technology, that separate cell growth from production and thereby keeping the cells genetically stable. So continuous manufacturing is then enabled by using a two-stage production process. And within the ECOnti project, we built a fully automated continuous E. coli platform that runs reliably for hundreds of hours or several weeks, respectively.
Flexible automation and advanced process control are essential for continuous bioprocessing. With our smart butbook solution and the QUBICON software platform, we monitor all process-related data in real time and apply model-based control across all process units to dynamically adjust conditions. This ensures process stability and maximizes process efficiency.
So the Octave BIO allows for continuous chromatography using multiple columns, and it also allows for very low flow applications. Chromatography technology is the most effective one since it has the most power to selectively separate different molecules. So that's why the Octave BIO is a key unit operation in this ECOnti project.
We use a combination of mechanistic process understanding and machine learning. The created digital bioprocess twins allow us to simulate process behavior under various conditions. We can design smarter experiments and ultimately save time and experimental effort during development. Our system, Novasign Studio, can be combined seamlessly with systems like QUBICON to lead this control logic from the end-to-end process down to the hardware system.
We at SimVantage are delivering deep insights into the microenvironment experienced by the cells inside the bioreactor. And therefore, we are enabling robust scale-up strategies for larger manufacturing vessels. Scaling up continuous bioprocessing requires deep insights into fluid dynamics. Our computational models simulate real-world conditions, ensuring that the process performance remains stable as we move from the lab to the industrial production scale.
The effective control of a unit operation starts with a deep understanding of the process itself. In our MCC setup, that meant really knowing the binding kinetics and the mass transfer behavior of our product. Once we had this mechanistic foundation, we then established a PAT system, including an inline HPLC analysis, which gave us continuous insight into the actual state of the process as it is right now. Building on this process understanding and all of our PAT data, we developed the required models to accurately predict the process performance. So these models were then integrated into the full end-to-end process model inside Novasign Studio. From there, Novasign Studio generates the control signals, which go directly to QUBICON, who manages the hardware. This in turn closes the loop for our real-time model-driven purification control.
We were able to quantify the economic and environmental benefits of ECOnti with innovative modeling approaches, proving its feasibility for large-scale adoption. Validated at the 1 to 10 liter scale, ECOnti is now scaling to 100 to 1000 liters, proving its potential to transform microbial processing worldwide.
Together, we are shaping the future of continuous microbial biomanufacturing.